Welcome to the Excel basis video tutorial. Today in this video we are going to give you information about creating formula in Excel sheet. What is Microsoft Excel formula and how it is created in Excel sheet. Formula are the element of worksheet. Without formula, worksheet will be just a simple tabular representation of data. Formula consists of special code which is entered in a cell and it performs some calculation and return as a result which is displayed in the cell. So to use formula, show you using a formula in Excel sheet. There are four elements of formula: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These four elements are used as a formula in Excel sheet. Without this formula or element, formula is incomplete. So to use formula, first of all we should use or type the data in the Excel sheet. Now I have entered all data in the Excel sheet. After entering data, first of all we should select the cell or put the cursor in the cell where we want to use the formula. Then click is equal to use formula we should begin with equal to sign. This is equal to sign. To use formula, first of all click equal to sign. Now I am going to use additional element, this plus sign or this plus formula. To use additional element, first of all we should select the cell with which you want to add. Now I select here 2D and the element which you want to add, plus element, plus and cell 2E, then press enter. Now here you can see the cell 2D is added with 2E which is equal to 2G. Here is the element plus. This is the way how we could use the element additional. And another element of formula is subtraction, minus. To use minus, first of all we click equal to sign, then choose the cell which you want to subtract. 3D minus 3E, enter. Now we have subtract the cell 3E with 3D. This is the result or output. Again we want to use the multiplication, this star sign or star element. To use the multiplication, first of all we click equal to sign, then choose the cell star or multiplication sign and then choose another cell, then press enter. Now we have used here star element or multiplication element. And another element is division. This is the sign of division. To use this element, first of all we should click equal to sign, then choose the cell which you want to divide, 5D, divide sign, then another cell 5E, then press enter. Now you can see here the column 5D. This column is divided by column 5E, this, and the result is here. This is the method of using formula in Excel sheet, and these are the element of formula. So don't forget to use the element of formula in Excel sheet while you using the formula or while calculating the data. Thank you so much guys for watching these videos.